Hello students, today we are going to learn English grammar from step by step book, lesson number 9. The pronouns we are going to learn in that personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun. These two kinds of the pronoun we are going to learn. So let us know about personal pronoun and then reflexive pronoun. So let us know about it. There are personal pronoun, in that three parts are there: first person, second person and third person. Let us know about first, second, third person. First person means speaker is called always first person, means I am speaking with you, so I am a first person. And we means more than one person are speaking, that time it is called we, and we is a first person, I is a singular first person. So second person means what? Second person means who is listener. First person speaker and second person means listener. So you means now you are listening to me, so you are the second person. So plural also you, singular and plural is only you. So you are listener, so you are called a second person now. And if I am talking about other person, is called a third person, means he, she, it, they, those are called a third person. Suppose I am talking about King Shivaji Maharaj, so he is become a third person. So if I am talking about any other girl, any actress, so she is called a third person. It, I am talking about school, so I means I am speaking with you about school, so it is become third person. So there are three parts are there: first person, second person and third person, and that is a plural third person. They are good students, means I am talking with you about other students. So that all the chart is telling about first person, second person and third person in personal pronouns. Means again once I am telling to you, A is a speaker and A is talking to B is a listener, and they both are talking about another person is C, and that is called a third person. So let us know about personal pronoun and reflexive pronouns. So there are personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun. So there is given how personal pronoun it is convert into reflexive pronoun. So I is a personal pronoun, it is convert in a reflexive pronoun as a myself. You, it is singular personal pronoun, it is become yourself in singular reflexive pronoun. You, if it is you are using in plural form, it is become in yourselves in reflexive pronoun. He become himself, she become herself, and it become itself, we become ourselves, they become themselves in reflexive pronoun. It is all the personal pronouns, it is become like that in reflexive pronouns. So let us going to learn in the exercise. First example, fill in the blanks with the suitable personal pronouns. Here you want to write in the fill in the blank exact personal pronouns which is suitable here, and in the bracket given first person plural or singular, second person plural or singular, third person plural or singular, male, female also they have mentioned. So like that you want, I told you that chart, from that chart you want to use to write here, but I have given for you. Let us going to solve this. So first one, dash dash are doing our work. So first person plural is we. So as suitable, we are doing our work is correct or suitable personal pronoun we have used here. Then second one, you should keep your toys on the shelf. We want to use second person singular, it is a you. Third number, he is polished his shoes. Third person singular male. So third person singular, he is polished his shoes. So he is a third person and singular, and he we are using for the male. Then, and if there is a she given, then we want to write here she. If it is think anything neuter given, then we want to use here it. But here they have given male, so we want to use to write here he only. Fourth number, they are playing outside their house. It is they is a third person plural form. Then she is combing her hair. So she is third person singular female. That for girls or woman or any female we are using she as a third person. Next, sixth number, I am very hungry. I is a first person singular. So I after always comes am. So we want to use here I am very hungry. Seventh number, it has a long neck. So it is a third person singular neuter. Neuter means that is not a male or a female. It's called a neuter. It is a neuter because of its gender. We are not identify clearly, that time we are using it as a neuter third person singular pronoun. 8 number, who gave you this book? So you is a second person singular. 9 number, she sings well. She is a third person singular female. So she exactly we have used here. 10 number, I gave a dog called Tommy. So I is a first person singular pronoun. So like that we have used at the pronouns of first person, second person and third person. So let us know about second number example. Fill in the blanks with the reflexive pronoun. First, I did this work myself. We have learned in that chart I is personal pronoun and it is converted into myself. So the myself is called a reflexive pronoun. So for I we are using myself here. I did this work myself. So I am doing my work for myself. So I did this work myself we are using, and myself is a reflexive pronoun. Second number, Anita hurt herself. So Anita hurt herself. So she get hurt because of her mistake only. So Anita is a girl. So we have used her here. Her, herself, it is a become reflexive pronoun. Third number, he is talking to himself. He, the boy or the man, is talking to him. So we are using here as a reflexive pronoun himself as a suitable reflexive pronoun. Fourth number, they blamed. So they is a personal pronoun and we have converted here themselves as a plural reflexive pronoun. Fifth number, the dog barked at itself. So dog, we don't know about its exact gender. We are using dog word for male and female both. So when the gender is not identified, then we are using here itself as a reflexive pronoun. 6 number, you don't blame. So you is a singular, so we are using here as a reflexive pronoun yourself. You don't blame yourself. Next, we shall do this work. So we is a plural personal pronoun. So we shall do this work ourselves. Ourselves is a reflexive pronoun. 8 number, the birds built the nest. So the birds are plural. So we are using here for many birds themselves. The birds built the nest themselves. She did all the work by herself. She is a female and there is a reflexive pronoun of the she is a herself. Last, it could not eat by itself. So it is there, we are using for that itself, or we can use here own self also. So as per above we have solved, so itself we are going to use here. So hope so you have understand this reflexive pronoun. Let us know about third number example. Underline the suitable pronouns from the bracket to complete the sentences. So in the bracket there is given some pronouns and we want to underline for that which is suitable here in the sentence. So I have given already for you, so you want to look carefully and get understand. The teacher asked him a question. So he, him, his. If we are using he, look at here. The teacher asked he a question. The teacher asked him a question. A teacher asked his a question. So in that three words or three pronouns, the suitable pronoun is him. It is exactly we can say. So we want to underline to this him. Next, this is her pencil. Her is correct one, so I do underline here. Then he did this work himself. Then fourth number, we shall finish this work today. So we is suitable here. Fifth number, I looked at myself in the mirror. So myself is exactly or suitable here. Sixth number, Meera and I went to school together. So I is grammatically correct here. 7 number, Manoj and he took part in the annual day function. So he is suitable here. So next one, 8 number, mother gave ice cream to Harish and me. Me is suitable here. 9 number, Anju gave me a doll and I gave her a book. So here me, here I and here her is suitable in this sentence. 10 number, the dog was running after her. So her is suitable and correct here. And all the personal pronouns and reflexive pronouns are we have used as suitable in this sentence. Hope so this lesson you have understand and you want to read carefully. Write once again in the notebook. So we have learned 9 number lesson, the pronouns. In that personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun we have learned. So hope so you have understand better. Thank you. Have a nice day.